On my way to Uppermill and back home, I found that the footpaths in Pickhill Gardens are blocked off. So I walked all the paths in the garden, and this video shows all the faults. 2 obstructions up to the old school and down from the old school, fenced off with signs saying danger, keep out. On inspection, the steps and fencing look in good condition. Why? Steps to the old school blocked off with a sign saying danger, keep out. Access along footpaths 100 and 101 Saddleworth is good. Gate access to Pickhill Gardens blocked off with a padlock. Why? Steps and fencing are in good condition, so why block off access? Access along footpaths 100 and 101 Saddleworth is good.